With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question says that if the anions X form hexagonal closed packing and cations Y occupy only 3/8 of octahedral voids in it, then the general formula of the compound is option 1 xy, option 2 yx2, option 3 x8 y3, and option 4 x3 y4. So in this question it is given that anions X form the hexagonal closed packing and the cations Y occupy the 3/8 of the octahedral voids present in it. So we have to find out the general formula of compound. So if we talk about hexagonal closed packing, that is HCP. Now in HCP, the coordination number of each particle is 12. But if we count the number of atoms per unit cell, in HCP, number of atoms per unit cell equal to 6. Per unit cell is equal to 6. Right? So in one hexagonal unit cell, there will be 6 atoms. Now it is given anions X form the hexagonal closed packing. So it means in hexagonal closed packing, the anions X will be 6. So it means here anions X will be 6. Right, because X is arranged in hexagonal closed packing. Now it is given that cations Y occupy the 3/8 of octahedral void. Now we know that in a given unit cell, tetrahedral voids is twice the number of particles per unit cell. So if here we have 6 particles, or you can say 6 atoms per unit cell, so tetrahedral voids will be 2 into 6, that is 12. But octahedral voids is equal to the number of particles per unit cell. So it will be equal to 6 because per unit cell there are 6 atoms. So octahedral voids will also be 6. But here cations occupy 3/8 of octahedral voids. So the cations Y will be equal to 3/8 of octahedral void, and octahedral void is 6. So we get 3/8 of 6. Right. So now we'll find out the ratio. So from here, ratio of X and Y will be equal to X is 6 and Y is 3/8 into 6. So here 6 gets cancelled out and the ratio will be equal to 8:3. Right, so this is the simplified ratio of X and Y. It means the formula of the compound is X8Y3. So if we look at the option, X8Y3 is given in option 3. Right, so here option 3 is the answer. Correct option is option 3, X8Y3. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.